Are you a KTM adventure bike owner or planning to buy one? This is for you. Horn dangling out, not mounted. Number plate fell off while riding back home. Oil splattered around gear lever, full of oil and mud. Bike was not even cleaned. Clutch wire not tightened, handle got shaking. Engine rough after full rebuild. So all this started after my bike's second service. After service, I rode only 800 kilometers and engine started overheating. When I checked, engine oil is completely gone, way below minimum level.
1 month బ్యాక్ ఏంటంటే సర్వీస్ చేసామన్నమాట. వెంటనే సర్వీస్ అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ కాషన్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఆ తర్వాత ఆయిల్ లెవెల్ చూస్తే ఆయిల్ లెవెల్ కూడా చాలా తగ్గిపోయినది. ఆయిల్ లేదనమాట, ఆల్మోస్ట్ డ్రై అయిపోయినట్టు ఉంది.
I take it to service center and they told me this is a known issue in Gen 3 models. They have already repaired many bikes for this same problem. But nobody from KTM called me. I figured it out myself because engine was overheating. What if I delayed a bit? My engine would have seized. So they said we will replace engine head, pistons, valves and some other engine components under warranty. But you need to pay 5,500 rupees for consumables.
Consumables, engine oil, coolant oil.
ఈవెన్ అవి కూడా 500,000 రూపీస్ కాదు, 5,000 చెప్తున్నారు మీరు. 5,000 చెప్తున్నారు కరెక్టా? సో 5,000 రూపీస్ నేను ఎందుకు ఎక్స్ట్రా పే చేయాలి? ఆ 5,000 రూపీస్ అంటే ఇంకొక 2 సర్వీసెస్ వస్తాయి నాకు.
4 లక్షలకి బండి పెట్టి 6 మంత్స్ కాదు, మళ్ళీ 5,000 నేను మీరు అసలు ఇంజిన్ ఓపెన్ చేసి మళ్ళీ అది రిపేర్ చేయాలంటున్నారు 6 మంత్స్లో. సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఇష్యూ ఉంది సార్, ఆ ఇష్యూ మీరు రీకాల్ చేస్తారు అట్లీస్ట్, మీరు రీకాల్ చేస్తున్నారు అట్లీస్ట్ ఇష్యూ ఉందని. రీకాల్ ఉందని చెప్పి అన్ని వెహికల్స్కి లేవు సార్, కొన్ని వెహికల్స్కే ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని వెహికల్సే. మీకు సేల్స్ టైంలో 5 కమిట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారో మాకు తెలియదు సార్.
KTM service guy asked me, when you bought this bike, did we ever tell you that warranty means zero cost? How can I ask consumables charges at the time of purchasing a brand new bike? Nobody expects their engine to fail after 8,000 kilometers. If you are purchasing KTM bike, ask your dealer for this issue and take a commitment. After multiple visits, they kept repeating the same story. No resolution at all. So I asked for their manager's number, called him for 2 straight days. He never picked up, not even once. And my bike was just sitting at their service center. Next day I walked into their sales department and said, your service team is demanding 5,500 for brand defect. I need a resolution.
అతను కాల్ చేసి అతను పిక్ చేయడం లేదు. అతనే 2 days నుంచి కాల్ చేస్తున్నాం.
Sales team connected me to service GM. At least he spoke properly. Told service team to reduce amount as much as possible. Only after going to GM, they finally agreed to order the parts. After 3 weeks, I called them for an update, but bike parts have not received it. 1 more week passes and they call me job is done. My bike sat with them for 1 full month. I missed rides, I missed plans for a defect that was never mine to begin with. So after all the arguments, 5,500 came down to 2,200. And now, after the so-called repair, my mileage has dropped to 15 kmpl. Before this issue, my bike was doing much better than this. After I posted about this in KTM Adventure fellow owners group, people who bought from the same Varun Motors showroom messaged me personally. First person said don't pay them even 1 rupee, it's completely their issue. And second person said he had exactly same issue but he paid only 1,000 rupees. I paid 2,200 rupees. Same issue, same dealership, different amounts charged to different customers. No consistency, no transparency. KTM India and Varun Motors Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. I'm waiting for your response. If you are a KTM Adventure owner, check your engine oil level today itself. Don't wait for engine to overheat. If you face similar issue, let us know in the comments.